divide 896 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down this 9 and 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting, we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 6 and it is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. On subtracting, we get 0. So 896 divided by 4 is 224. So this much for today and thanks for watching.